This year has been about reconnecting with our shareholders, friends, and visitors to Ketchikan, expanding our services and capabilities, gaining new customers and investments, and continuing to exemplify our strength and commitment to our shareholders and the business.
Each year, the team expands and grows to include new people, new business, and new celebrations of our success.
While our legacy may be rooted in the past, with a strong heritage and foundation, our longevity is due to our hard work, resilience, and foresight.
I look forward to continued achievement and success into the future. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media.